And then changing direction once you've done your three more circles. Working and opening this hip. And then as you've finished your three, extend that leg, squaring the hips towards the mat. Inhale as you exhale, knee comes to center. Big step forward, low lunge. We inhale to reach the chest forwards. Exhale, drop your back knee, untuck the left toes. We reach the hands up, Anjaneyasana. Inhaling here. So we exhale with or without bringing the hands to the mat. We're going to extend the front leg as we send the hips back, coming to our half split. You can always bring the hands down to the mat or keep them lifted. We're squeezing the shoulder blades, keep a nice straight spine here. Inhale. As you exhale, rock it back forward. Left hand comes to the mat. We reach the right hand up. Easy twist variation. Inhale, reaching into those right fingertips. Exhale, both hands come to the